earnings per share are simply calculated by taking the profits after tax of the company, less any preference dividends that have been declared, and dividing this by the number of ordinary shares in issue. So the earnings per share figure is simply a reflection of how much each share issued in the business earned after taking into account the after-tax profits and the preference dividends, and dividing this by the number of shares in issue. Increases in earnings per share imply increasing profitability of the company and increasing returns for the shareholders. Decreasing earnings per share, all things remaining constant, imply deteriorating profitability of the company and lower returns for the shareholders. Let's do an example. Say a company has a profit after tax of $10 million, and it declares a preference dividend of $2 million. And this very same company has 4 million ordinary shares in issue. We would calculate the earnings per share by saying after-tax profit of 10 million minus the preference dividend of 2 million, that gives us an answer of 8 million. We would then divide this $8 million by the 4 million ordinary shares in issue. That would give us earnings per share of $2 per share. Let's do another example. Say a company has profit after tax of $20 million and it declares a preference dividend of $8 million. And the same company has 3 million ordinary shares in issue. We would calculate the earnings per share by saying profit after tax of 20 million minus the 8 million preference dividend, giving us 12 million. We would then divide this $12 million by the 3 million ordinary shares in issue. That would give us earnings per share of $4 per share.